Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and this is not my usual Roxy's Weekly Challenge because, oh my goodness, what a day. Life has gotten in the way. Most of the morning was I had to go and get rid of the greys, and Lulu got her big whop of a hair in some little highlights and cut. It was so long, and she has so much hair, so that really took nearly half our day. And then we had the bright idea. I have a bookshelf, and it's full of books, new and old. And I've been wanting to take some of the books out and have objects and things. And so Lulu wanted to help me, and she really was keen to do it. So we took everything down. Oh my goodness, we just finished, and it's not 100%, but now the good news is with that is I've taken out some of the books that I've been hoarding, and so slowly over time I will put them in my shop. And I had a huge pile of ledgers. I was going to break them up into pages, but I think I'll sell them as whole, so keep an eye. I've sold them before. I'm not sure if these ones had more or less writing in them, but I think I'll just sell them at a lower price anyway. So you'll see those appear in my shop. Now with those, they are very heavy, especially for you guys in the United States. I'm going to put the post office price on, but what you'll notice is when you get a heavy box from me, you do get quite a nice, especially in the States or in the urban areas in Australia and Europe. Most parts of Europe, you do find if you buy books and things from me, you'll get quite a nice refund because FedEx is cheaper than the post. So, but I'm keeping the postal prices just in case, something happened and I didn't have that deal with FedEx anymore. So don't be afraid of the postage. Where I can, I refund it. Now these are just things that these are stitcheries I've showed you before. I'm just giving you some eye candy to look at. I'm going to make them into little journals, but they are a work in process, and please don't reserve them. They're going to just go in my shop, and I'll let you know when they're ready, and we'll probably do a flip through and then they'll be in my shop. So keep an eye out for if you want some ledgers. The covers are lovely. That's why I kind of don't want to break them up. Well, not all of the covers are lovely, but most of them are. And so what am I going to do with all those covers? Because I can't throw them out. So I think I'll just sell them as a whole, and then you can use the papers and then use the covers as well. So my Roxy's Weekly Challenge is going to come up tomorrow. I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'll be at home most of the day tomorrow. I just have to go and do a quick shop, and then I'm at home. So I will do my video tomorrow, and I humbly apologize for not getting it done today. But I feel absolutely frazzled, and I think I probably look a bit frazzled. So have a wonderful Friday. I'm sorry it's not up today, but it will be up tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.